going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? Your boy Mike D, Hold'em Hood TV. As you guys can see, I'm sitting kind of high on my 10-foot John boat today. Well, that's because I forgot my seat, I forgot my net, I forgot my oar. I'm just not prepared this morning, you know? So, I'm gonna have to just make do with what I have. Hopefully I don't catch no big old slab and I can't get him in because I don't have a net, but that's when experience comes into play. So Mike D, Hold'em Hood TV. You can't catch him at the house on the couch. So we're gonna see what we can do. It's sunny today. It's been warmed up to, I think it's like 55 degrees, supposed to get up to about 70. I don't know how long I'm gonna be out here because I don't know how long I want to sit on this cooler today. So we're gonna try to get on some fish while we're here though. So y'all stay with me. Hopefully I get to bring y'all some good footage today. Let's go. First little crappie of the day, guys. Hey. I'm gonna put him back in there. Put her back in there. There we go, y'all. I don't know. This one is gonna feel like it. It's a nice one here. Like I said, I don't have my net today, so I have to be very careful. It's a nice 10-inch crappie there. We're gonna go and put her in the box that I'm sitting on. The top don't want to come open because I'm so fat now. See, I can't even get the top open on this thing, man. Ain't that something? I might have to deal with this all day. Let me get that in the box. I'll be back in a second, y'all. Another fish, y'all. Go another one. Another 10-inch fish. I'm gonna keep it for today. I got somebody I gotta give some fish to. Got somebody I gotta get some fish to, so I'm gonna bless the old lady with these. Y'all stay with me, YouTube. Y'all know how I do. Let's get it. It's not even no big crappie, but she sure hit it like it was a big one though. Oh, Lee. Get her back in the water. They like she been caught already before one time. I might have caught it earlier. There we go, y'all. This one is gonna feel like it. It's a nice one here. Like I said, I don't have my net today, so I have to be very careful. A nice 10-inch crappie there. I'm gonna go and put her in the box that I'm sitting on. The top don't want to come open because I'm so fat now. See, I can't even get the top open on this thing, man. Ain't that something? I might have to deal with this all day. Let me get that in the box. I'll be back in a second, y'all. Fish, y'all. Another one. few today. I got somebody I gotta give some fish to. Got somebody I gotta get some fish to, so I'm gonna bless the old lady with these. Y'all stay with me, YouTube. Y'all know how I do. Let's get it. This feel like a decent fish, y'all. Another nice fish for the box. Bam! Let's get that up in here for Miss Pat. Miss Pat gonna appreciate these fish today. She been asking me for some fish, and I've been telling her I was gonna bring her some, so it's about time for me to keep my word. Hold 'em Hook TV. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. Some of these crappie just, well, I guess you'll be mad too. You had a hook in your mouth. Another nice crappie. Hold 'em Hook. I'm just tired of getting up off this cooler, man. I'm about sick of that already. Bet y'all won't forget my seat next time. Hold 'em Hook. All right. That's a nice one there. Nice 11-inch crappies. Bling bling. Let's get that one in the box. Hold 'em Hook. Let's go. If I could get the box open, huh? See, guys, this is what happens when you eat too much donuts and cupcakes and stuff. And you sit on your cooler, you can't even get it open no more. So y'all eat healthy. I'm eating all them pies and cookies and stuff. Y'all stay with me. See, get the hell on so I can pull this big old slab out the water right here. I had hooks while I was talking to him. Hold 'em Hook. Ooh, look at this big mama there. Good God. Let's Lord. God is good, huh? And a fried crappie is too. Hold 'em Hook TV. Let's go. There she goes. Come walking down there, mama. I know you don't want to come up. I know you don't want to come up, but you have to. Nice crappie. That wind blowing, but it ain't stopping. It ain't stopping the action today. Got that hook in my hand, but they ain't gonna sure enough stop the action today. Come on, big mama, come on up out of there. I know you don't want to come up out of there. Nice 11-inch fish, huh? Hey, I don't know what else to tell y'all, man, but you can't catch him at the house on the couch. Let's go. We'll clean their legs off, so. Hold 'em Hook. All I gotta do is land her. I got her. Look how beautiful that fish is. Another 13-inch crappie right here. Beautiful fish, beautiful. Another one for the box. Hold 'em Hook TV. Y'all stay with me. We're gonna stay on these fish while they biting. She don't feel very big though. Back into hold them now. Hold them. Come on here. Come your big behind in here. Another one of them crappie I was talking about with the black dot on the bottom of his mouth right here. A lot of those crap in here have that. I don't know if it's some kind of genetic thing, but a lot of them have it on them. Let's get them in the box and get some more. Oh shit. That towel right there, I ain't forgot this time. What's going on YouTube? Your boy Mike D, Hold 'em Hook TV. Hey guys, 7'6" ACC crappie rod. 4-pound test fluke reel. Hey, nothing fancy. 1/32 ounce jig head in the grub. Hey, these fish are still in this pre-spawn mode, so they've been in this pattern now for the last 2-3 weeks, and they're just sitting up here waiting on the weather to get right for them to push up and have their little baby, their little fish fry and stuff. So with that being said, man, you know what? You can't catch them at the house on the couch though. That's one thing for sure. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe on the road to 1,000. Hey, I can't do it without y'all. Let me show you a few of these fish I caught today. Get them out of here. Some nice pre-spawn. You guys can see they got their tails curled. Posing for y'all. So we're gonna get them back in the cooler. I might actually give those fish away to somebody. But with that being said, guys, get out here and get on the lake when you can, you know. It's nothing like it. Like Richard Jean said, a sport second to none. And I love that saying, and he ain't lying. So I'll catch y'all on the next video, YouTube. I'm gonna get on out of here. My back has had it sitting on this cooler. I forgot my chair, my net, my oar. I was just unorganized this morning. That's typically not me. But with that being said, enough of me talking. I'm gonna get on out of here. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch y'all on the next video, which y'all know will be coming real soon. Hold 'em Hook.